Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Bibb County in central Georgia, south central Monroe County in central Georgia, Crawford County in central Georgia, northeastern Taylor County in west central Georgia, until 5:50 p.m. 47 miles southwest of Roberta, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. 47 miles southwest of Roberta, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roberta, Reynolds, Knoxville, Lizella, Lake Tobzowski, Jack Brown Estates, Caperton, Lee Pope, Sandy Point, Horns, Musella, and Tickling Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.